Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we're outside near my okra trees, and I call them trees because they are every bit of about 6 to 6.5 feet tall. And what we're going to do today is to do the final harvest of these particular plants, and then we're going to cut them out of my bed using my chainsaw, and then we're going to flip the bed. And I thought you would come along with me so I could show you how to do it. Let's go. Okay, we have some pruners here, and I'm going to prune, or rather cut, the okra that is ready off. Okay, okay, that seems to be it for now. Now, next, what I'm going to do is to cut off some of the long limbs. Okay, now that we've got some of the majority of the big limbs off, I'm going to use my chainsaw to cut them down to size. If you remember a couple of weeks ago, maybe longer, a little longer than that, I did a review of the CC mini chainsaw. Well, I'm going to use it to cut these tree stalks or bases completely down to the soil level. Using the pruners, I wouldn't be able to do it. There's one. There's two. And there we go. We have all the okra trees cut out. The saw comes in handy. We're going to take these and put these on my burn pile. And then we're going to do the next step, which is to fill the bed with cardboard. So we're spreading out cardboard into the base of the bed. And this will help to attract beneficial insects and mammals, well, insects rather, no mammals, such as earthworms, and break down over time. Okay, we have the cardboard in. Next, we're going to put in some logs that were cut up from fallen trees that I had during Hurricane Debbie. Okay, so hopefully you can see pretty well. We've added a considerable amount of logs and twigs into the bed. Next, we're going to add some yard waste and some compost, and then we're going to put the potting soil in. So hopefully you can see pretty well. This bed is almost completely full now. And what I'm going to do is to add some amendments to it and rake it in with a hand rake. Here we have bone meal, and I'm just going to sprinkle some of it in. Next, we have some blood meal. And let's take about 2 handfuls of it. And last but not least, a true organic tomato and vegetable fertilizer, 456. And we're going to sprinkle some of that in as well. And have a little hand rake, and all I'm going to do is rake it in. Now, we put in, as you saw, a lot of combustible, well, not combustible, compostable organic material in here. We have, I think, if I counted correctly, about 15 to 16 cut logs, and we have some twigs and leaves, and we have horse manure compost, and we have 4 cubic meters or 4 cubic liters of soil. So it has quite a lot more material in it than it did before, which is a good thing. That way, as a lot of you have mentioned, I won't have to bend over to get my vegetables or to do anything into this bed. And this bed is going to have collards and cabbages in it. So I think I did a good job here. Okay, the last thing I have to do is to cut the header for the bed so that it sits in correctly, and then we'll be done. And just like that, we have flipped this bed. It is ready for fall produce planting. And although it's going to sit for maybe 3 to 4 weeks while my plants on the inside of the house in my grow tent grow larger. Um, and you can see with the riser for the water how it fits now into the bed as it should. The other one was longer so that it went down into the bed. Overall, it took me a little bit to get it done, but it's done. And this is the second or third one that I've done. And I believe I may have 2 more to do like this. Oh, I want to thank you for coming along with me while we did this task. It was a pretty significant one that needed to be done, and we got it done. We flipped the bed, we took out our okra that was here, and we filled the bed with a significant amount of material to raise the soil level up, and it's ready to go. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your friends, family, and neighbors will also. I hope this video brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. Until next time, take care.